Sometimes an iOS device or an iPadOS device like this iPad Air 4 starts to be a bit sluggish and feels not so fast anymore. Then it could be time to do a soft reset and a forced restart of your device. So in this video I will show you how you can do that on the brand new iPad Air 4 2020. And this is my iPad Air 4 2020 in sky blue, as you can see here. And you do a soft reset and a forced restart by using your volume up, volume down and the power button. And on the iPad Air 4 you have also the Touch ID built into the power button. So that's why I will show you how you can do a soft reset and a forced restart on the new iPad Air 4. And you need to do this in sequence. First you click on volume up and then volume down and then the power button and press and hold the power button. And you hold it until you see the Apple logo again. Then you release it. So first volume up, then volume down, and then the power button. And you press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. So let's do this. You need to do it quite fast too. First, volume up, volume down, and then the power button. And now you see it starts to reboot device, the iPad Air 4. I still hold the power button until I see the Apple logo again, like so. Then I release it. Now I have done a soft reset of the iPad Air 4, cleaned out some cache and some faulty apps and so on that maybe hangs your iPad and so on. So now I have cleaned out all the caches and problems on the iPad that you eventually have. So that is how easy it is to do a soft reset and a forced restart. And after you have done that, you need to type in your PIN code the first time you start the device. And now we are up and running again. So that is how easy it is to do a soft reset and a forced restart of the iPad Air 4. So volume up, volume down, and then the power button. And you press and hold it until you see the Apple logo. Then you release it. It's so easy to do, and it helps a lot sometimes to do that. After some weeks or months of use, you can do a soft reset of the iOS device or your iPad. So that's it for this video. I will soon also release an iPad Air 4 review. I have used this since it was released, and soon my iPad Air 4 review will be released. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss my iPad Air 4 review. It will be what I think of this iPad, and both bad things and good things. So please subscribe and please like this video. Okay. Bye.